Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we will talk about how to share Wi-Fi to another phone guys. In Vivo phone guys, you want to share any Wi-Fi, so guys you can share. And guys, let's see how to share Wi-Fi. And guys, in this phone guys, how can you connect Wi-Fi? So before starting video friends, I want to tell you something. If you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So in Vivo phone guys, we have connected this Wi-Fi. So guys, in this phone guys, we don't have Wi-Fi. So how can we share this Wi-Fi to this phone? You open your phone setting, network and internet, click guys. Guys on your Wi-Fi and guys on your Wi-Fi. So guys, which Wi-Fi guys you have connected? Then guys, you can see the setting option. So guys, you can click here. Then guys, you can see share Wi-Fi option. So we will share from here. So as you scroll it and guys, you can see this scanner option. So as we will click here, then guys we will scan here. So you can see guys, Wi-Fi will disconnect in our another phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to share Wi-Fi in Vivo phone to another phone guys. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.